It is great to have you back here at CoinSuri's channel. Which of these options do you prefer? Please people cast your vote in the community option. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC. The filing of XRP with the SEC is likely to happen following Bitcoin's approval, as the SEC is considering the prospect of admitting the first spot Bitcoin ETFs. The American market for cryptocurrency investments is facing the prospect of a shift away from cryptocurrencies and towards other significant digital assets, such as Ethereum and XRP. Having said that, XRP ETFs find themselves in a somewhat unique circumstance, because no application has been submitted up to this point. Several spot Ethereum ETO applications are now being considered by the SEC. Chief Investment Officer Stephen McClurg of Valkyrie Investments, however, predicts that things might change rapidly really soon. The spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund event has 11 applications. One of them, Valkyrie Invest, is now pending approval. Security Officer of Valkyrie Spot Bitcoin ETF is expected to be approved by the SEC today, Wednesday, according to an interview with Stephen McClurg. Trading is expected to commence tomorrow, Thursday. In addition, he hinted that XRP ETF registrations would be forthcoming. In an appearance on Bloomberg Crypto, McClurg brought up the prospect of an ETF for spot XRP. In answer to Sonali B. Basic's question regarding the timeline for McClurg's efforts to develop spot products for additional cryptocurrency assets, he has provided the following statement. Ethereum is about to witness a deluge of filings, in my humble opinion. Given the current trajectory, I would venture to suggest that anything related to Ripple might happen in the near future. A publicly traded trust of Grayscale's recently added Ripple to its portfolio. As you have already observed, it would not be shocking if we came across Ethereum or Ripple spotted TFS in the wild. The chief technologist of EQTL discusses the issue in response to community demands to burn XRP assets. The industry as a whole seems to agree with McCloud that other cryptocurrencies might benefit from the SEC's approval of Bitcoin ETFs. I really don't know if we're going to do that or not, was his response when asked about Valkyrie's techniques. I see those as more of a retail move, and I believe there are alternate channels in which consumers can purchase them. The fact that anything may happen in this market makes everything seem possible, though. The cryptocurrency community's enthusiasm for the possible DEX XRP exchange-traded fund has reached new heights. Consider the following to make sense of the sudden emergence of this scent. Just 2 days ago, the word Xrpf was trending on the X platform, and how Grayscale Investments is returning the coin to its digital large cap, DEL TWWS. An RCP supporting attorney named Denton has accused the SEC of failing to adequately safeguard American interests. In addition, there have been community rumors suggesting that Fidelity Investments has launched an XRP-based exchange-traded product. There was some truth to the rumor, though, because Fidelity has kept all SAP information under wraps. VING1 Stock, the Fidelity platform, offers XRP as one of its features. It should be noted that the exchange-traded fund, ETF, in question is not a registered business in the United States. Despite the fact that it features a Swiss exchange, SEC, an analyst with Bloomberg F named James Safar expressed a more cautious outlook a few months earlier, saying, I don't think the XRP is ever going to get through the SEC doors, essentially not anytime soon. Since some industry insiders doubt the feasibility of establishing an exchange-traded fund, this poses a significant challenge. Following the last Ripple verse, he went on to explain that in order for the Chicago Mercantile Exchange to contemplate an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for spot XRP, the exchange must first list XRP futures as a sufficiently sized regulated market. It appears that this need will be met in the distant future. The report by Safar highlights the complexity and difficulty of the U.S. regulatory system regarding cryptocurrencies, particularly assets such as XRP. Market demand and the complex interaction between regulatory milestones and market readiness determine the likelihood of an XRP exchange-traded fund. Extensive evaluations have been conducted on XRP. As reported by Eleanor Tourette of Fox News, the Bitcoin industry is highly divided about the idea of an exchange-traded fund. One of the main reasons why bulls are excited about XRP's debut is the imminent FEF launch. Alt currencies will not be able to set up an exchange-traded fund, according to the ATF's regulatory clarity bears, unless Congress takes action to regulate the cryptocurrency sector. Market participants have been keeping a careful eye on XRP in preparation for its upcoming introduction as an exchange-traded fund (ETF). The divergent opinions of cryptocurrency industry insiders regarding the likelihood of the SEC's approval of an exchange-traded fund are discussed by Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette. Steve McClurg, co-founder of Valkyrie Funds, said in a recent interview that XRP or Ethereum ETFs would be permitted after spot Bitcoin ETFs. Here is a brief excerpt from his remarks: "It wouldn't surprise me if we saw Ripple or Ethereum spot ETFs out there." To further clarify the matter, Eleanor shed light on the divergent opinions of bulls and bears regarding the potential for an F-capital exchange-traded fund for XRP. Continuing with the optimistic prognosis for XRP's launch, she emphasized that the bulls' optimism was mostly fueled by the token's regulatory standing. Simultaneously, the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio experienced its lowest point since May 2021, indicating that the value of Ethereum is decreasing in comparison to Bitcoin's. A US-based spot exchange-traded fund ETF is likely to be launched around the same time as this decline, which follows rising market expectations. Based on information provided by Keiko, a crypto intelligence firm located in Paris. This trend has also persisted since September of 2022, when Ethereum deployed a proof-of-stake network. The cryptocurrency industry is eagerly awaiting the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's decision on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, and Valkyrie's Stephen McClurg has hinted that approvals for Ethereum XRP exchange-traded funds assets or would follow enthusiastically to learn about the potential. Join us as we explore the potential of an exchange-traded fund for speculating. With a current price of $22.76 per token, Ethereum is the second largest digital asset, and Stephen McClurg has spoken his opinions on the matter. In light of its market influence and the impending approval of a spot exchange-traded fund for Bitcoin by the Securities and Exchange Commission, Eleanor Tourette's chief investment officer STV McClurg has expressed his expectation that spot ETFs for Ripple at SCP will be available in your incoming market on January 10, 2024, despite its recent 3.67% decline. Notable businesses including BlackRock, Fidelity Investments, and Valkyrie are waiting for a judgment from the SEC on their ETFs. The CC's favorable attitude towards Bitcoin ETFs and Gary Jones' proactive efforts have given many in the cryptocurrency industry hope. Here are some recommendations of mine. Learn more about the Ethereum exchange-traded funds and why the SEC has delayed making a decision by taking public comments into consideration. What is the expected decision-making timeline for the SEC? Everything changed today. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you later.